Hello everybody, just a quick video of what's been going on during the week. Not mega amounts going on, a bit of muck spreading and a few other bits, so just follow us through. Got a lot of the youngsters about this week, so they've been getting on with a few jobs and they've got a couple of projects. I split David Brown in half the other day. We're going to do a full video on that though, replacing the clutch in the David Brown 885. But anyway, like and subscribe if you enjoy it, and push a little bell, but follow us to the end. A little bit of drunk singing at the very end, and we wish everybody a happy new year. Bye-bye. Escapee sheep. And because he got up late, that's his job. Round and back up. And there was two there, they're going to be a right nightmare. Maybe three. It's not two. It's a big dike there for the brambles. So God knows how we can get them back. I'll bring them back this way and run them up the road, but I think they're going to be a nightmare whichever way to go. A flock of sheep is so much easier to move than just two. I don't think they're going to push across. Probably you've got to let your tire let it down a little bit. So what you want to do, look, rather than levering, you want to keep this bottom on. So keep this bottom in, like that. Hold it in, and then get that on the side. Down a little bit. Look, something like that. That's it. And that should hold while you then gently lever around. You're going to have to put a lever one side and hold it in, because otherwise you're just going to come down the side. Yeah. So can't leave one there and just hold it for you. You want to gently, make sure you don't get that inner tube.
Yeah, I'm just trying to hold it on the edge of the rim.
Not very filmable, is he?
I was trying to start right.
Now you might need to put your other one in there while you take that one out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And take your other one out, then move your other one up.
Get the arms right around.
That's it, don't take too much. And hold it there, let somebody else just take that little bit in there. And hold your one, that's it. And I'll kick that bottom in. Go your way, Carl. You just hold your one there. That's it, kick your one in and go in with the next one. You hold your one in still. Gently with your next one, your tube will be just in there somewhere. Get it in wherever you can, and then get a hammer, get it in, and then once it's in, take the other one out. And then you use the other one and knock it around a little bit. Get it in anywhere.
This one going, Kyle. You put that in there, I might be able, because this one's got an end on it.
Anywhere you can, use your curved end, look. That's it. Yeah. Now take that one out and tap that round, tap it round that way.
I think this one can pull down.
No, you can get that one out. background. Sit there, try it out. Now your one should come out because it shouldn't go anywhere now. Just means you've got to be very careful on your inner tube now.
Can you use a smaller one? Yeah, pass the small one.
Well, if not, you could probably just tap that. With the,
That's it.
well, yeah, don't hit me though. You've got to hit it in a bit of a manner because you've got to go round with it.
Yeah.
So, the other option is you can should be able to get another one in there. If you're on the inner tube, yeah. Take yours out.
Just wait for the case. That keeps doing that, doesn't it?
Yeah, the case is fucked. Go on then, kick it. Oh, there you go, she's on. Now that inner tube's in the right place. Now you should get some air on it. Keep your hand on it, that's it. So find out how many holes you put in the inner tube. Getting any power?
Yeah.
Sounds like you were losing most of it. Don't push that tube back. Still not on it properly. Still don't think you're on it properly. That end's not very nice, is it?
No. I'm just saying about the
Somebody try holding it. Now go on it. Oh, there's another one. Quick video. The boys, so we call them Farmlings. So my boys got a few mates that hang around the farm. I have just brought them this old trailer, and they're going to do a YouTube video doing it up, and then they're going to put it up for sale. So anybody interested, this will be, we're hoping 2 to 3 weeks. It's going to be rubbed down, repainted, sprayed, all new woodwork, up for sale. Give the Farmlings a project. Get up, 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 keep walking. Up, up, keep walking. Up, 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 up. Up, go that way. Up, up. Get up, get up. Go on, Beatrice, you go with them. Come on. Up. 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 Back on the back end. Go on, Gil. Up. Keep walking. Yeah. keep walking. Go on. Hang on, you've got to chop the back. Doing better with that one?
Yeah, a lot better.
But it's probably best that I don't say, 'cause tomorrow I dream.